Guys, in this video we're going to have a look at my brand new RGT Pro RC Rock Crawler. This is the car that I bought when I was broke. I then quit my job, started selling on eBay, and now I've bought this. So if you want to know how I did it, and more importantly how you can do it too, click the link down below and I'll show you how. Alright, let's take a look. Subscribe. Oh, check it out, guys. So this thing has got some really nice parts on there, and I'm going to show you some of them in a minute. Alright, let's have a look what's inside. Oh, check it out. Now guys, this thing is not dirt cheap. It is quite expensive, but I mean, just check it out. Check it out, guys. I'm going to do a quick montage. Twin carbon fibre chassis rails, we got a carbon fibre battery tray, we got aluminium shock towers, and check out these shocks. We've got threaded shocks, and they look absolutely super duper high quality. When you move the suspension, my god guys, that feels so smooth you wouldn't believe. I mean, even if you compare it to like a Traxxas TRX4, which is my favourite crawler, even the shocks in these feel nowhere near as nice as the thing on this. Then moving back, we have metal drive shafts. Check this out. So full metal drive shafts, front and rear, telescopic. We have metal links, a metal belly plate, metal diff covers, and although the axle housings themselves are made of plastic, if we have a look at the knuckles, all this is actually made out of aluminium, and on the back it's the same. All the axle mounts, aluminium, the ends here, aluminium. The tyres just feel crazily grippy, so I'm expecting this to be able to get over almost anything. So here we have the gearbox in the middle, and this is actually a plastic casing, although it does look like it is metal. So here's some specifications. Also, I'm going to put a link down below where you can see a full specification list. So as I said guys, the quality of this looks absolutely amazing, so do not expect it to be dirt cheap. Also in the box we do get a rear bumper, so the bumper's not on there, so it's up to you if you want to mount that or not. We got instructions, and that is pretty much it. You've got to put your own electrics in there. So I've got a few electrics here that I'm going to put in, and these are actually dirt cheap electrics. I really cheaped out on the electrics. I wanted to see how good some really crazily cheap electrics could actually be. So this is a dirt cheap servo. It's metal geared. I can't remember on the specs of it. I'm going to put a link to all these bits down below. We've got a brushed crawler combo here. This is a 20 turn, I believe. So that's going to be going in there as well. And here's the ESC. And then radio-wise, we're going to go with a Fly Sky, just a budget radio. It's just a 2-channel, I believe. And just trying to unbox it here one-handed. Get in there. There we go. That should do the job. Alright, so now I'm going to install all of these goodies, but I'm going to be doing them over on my live stream channel. So I'm going to put a link to my live stream channel down below. So obviously by the time you're watching this video, I would have already done it, but you can go there and watch the replay. And also, we go on there quite often, do some live streams. You guys are always free to jump on, interact, join in with the fun, join in with the banter. So here's all the bits, and now we're going to put them on. Alright guys, everything is in. So we've got the speed controller there, the receiver's in there, servo's gone in, and the servo bolted up absolutely perfectly. When we plug it in, I'm going to show you. It's got plenty enough power. Motor's there, and we're pretty much good to go. So I said to you about the lights before. And if you look in the packet, it comes with a Y lead. So you plug that into there, and then you can plug that other end into a spare port on your receiver, or you can put in a separate battery pack if that's what you want to do. But it's nice and light outside, so I'm not going to bother with the lights for this video, but we will use them in the future. So let's get a battery in there, which is charged next door, and then we're going to go out and give it a blast, and we're going to put it up against this one here. This one here is a Remo Hobby. This one here is dirt cheap, and I'm going to put a link to this down below too. And don't forget guys, a link to all of these parts, what we used on this build and the car, all of that stuff. If you want more details, any more specifications, you want to know where to buy it from, links to everything is down below. Alright, so I've just got the battery in, so here we got steering. So it's not the fastest servo in the world, but it is stupidly cheap. And they've got loads of power. I mean, you try and stop that. Plenty of power there, guys. Motor-wise. Alright, we got old Stemp in the house. Stempy's got the one that should be better.
I'm privileged, I've got Jake Orange.
Yeah, so Stemp's a complete beginner. He's never crawled before, and Stemp thinks that crawling's boring. So we're going to try and convert him like we did to Steve. And then because I've done it before, not that I'm any better, I'm not really that good myself.
But, it's got a modified motor in there, so it should hack it, isn't it?
Yeah. And then I've got the one that I'm guessing shouldn't be quite as good because this one's a complete cheapo and this one's relatively expensive. So give me a note in the comments which one you reckon's going to win.
Alright.
Alright, first challenge.
What, off the back of this?
Oh, I suppose first challenge, just get warmed up with it, innit? Oh, Seb! What are you doing?
No, I don't know what I'm doing here, bro.
Trying to get a bit of montage footage here. The Stemp's just completely slaughtering it. Alright, Stemp, first challenge, over here, follow. That should be easy, but up here, and then along this bit, and then down there. Stemp having fun yet?
I will if I achieve something.
Stemp's going for the harder route.
I'm in, I'm up. Oh, you have to be a bit tactical.
Yeah.
Ah.
You got to pick where you put your wheels. Ah, tumble, wumble. What the hell?
What's that, bus boy?
Stemp just pasted it. Stemp, I'm trying to sell these on the link down below. You're not doing a very good job of selling it.
Oh, there you are.
You're not making it look very good.
It's a hard game to master by the looks of it.
Give me that, save a Stemp. Yeah, you film. Yeah.
Oh dear.
Oh. Hold on.
Oh wait, no, you can't cheat it.
That was sticking in the hole.
Oh yeah, but that happens in real life.
Yeah,
Alright.
Oh, there we go.
Hey.
Alright, Stemp set a challenge. What's the challenge?
For all this vines.
So you got to go all the way through that, and we got to somehow get over that log. And the first to get over it wins. Hold on, let me.
Can't catch up there.
Alright, I'm coming, go. The Stemp just nailed it.
Oh look! Oh, I'm impressed, Kev. It's got over to the log.
Hold on, I've got to touch it. I've got a log stuck right under it.
Oh, can't have that.
I've got to, because
Oh,
it's
you
getting
need
tangled.
chainsaw then.
No, look, it's getting tangled. Look, you can't just. Nah, Stemp. Nah, if it's doing that,
Oh,
if it's doing that, you can't touch it. You can't just keep going when it does that, you idiot.
Oh dear, Kev. Oh, I could have broken that.
Stemp's like, keep going. Now, if it tangles up, you've got to stop, dude.
Get your winch out then, Kev.
Last Pat's department, the old winches.
Oh, is he?
Too many sticks poking. Oh no, one's broke.
What?
Oh, the wheel nuts come loose. Oh look, wheel nuts come off. The hex has gone. Oh, alright. I'm out, guys. Oh, just getting tangled again. Nah, it's not good in there, Stemp.
Oh, mine seems to be alright going for this bit.
Hold on, turn it over and have a look.
What?
Look, it just does that instantly. Is it? Alright. A challenge, you got to get onto there somehow. I've got a disadvantage because I've lost drive to one of my wheels. I think you got to take it from here, if anything. I think from here, the possibility. Ah, no. Ah, that's it, Stem. No, I don't think it's doable. It's too narrow on that bit. Oh, here's something. Go on, Stem. What can you do? Oh, he's through. Oh yes, I'm through as well. There we go.
Ah, this is another one. Just drift it.
Ah, I can drift mine, look, as well, look. Mine's drifting, look. Right, through here, flat out. Oh! Alright, little challenge, haven't tried it yet, but you got to try and make it on top of that. Demp's going for some realness. Ah! Go on, Stem. Yeah, oh no! He's beached it. That might be a better way up there. Yeah, there maybe. Ah, go on, Stem. Oh! Oh! The shaking remote help.
Yeah.
Oh! Stem could do that. Right, my go. Stem's enjoying it. Look, he's got a grin on his face.
I am actually.
Guys, if you've got a grin on your face, you're doing it right. That is the right way of doing it. People always say, what's better, what's worse? You're doing it wrong. If you've got a smile on your face, you're doing it right. Oh! Oh, I've got your angle. Angle for the dangle. Oh no!
Oh.
How's that smile doing on the old face?
Yeah, it's alright there. Here we go.
Oh, ah!
Long wheels.
He done a full 360 roly-poly.
And down we go.
Alright, next location. What's happening? You Stem going to Paddlesworth.
Yeah. Oh, if I could use that, then I'm on game with that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes.
Stem just said, what's this?
It's like an abscess on a tree.
But what is it? That's like... It's wood.
Yeah, it's
It's
what
just
I mean.
bark. What the hell is it? Stem was like, yeah, what is it? I'm like, yeah, what is it?
Well, I thought it was like a wasp nest.
Nah, that's weird. Alright, that's game over for now, guys. We're going to do a full video with this one to see how it performs. It's only a quick unboxing, quick little blast. This one here, I thought it was the hex that went, but it's actually the wheel, look. So that broke there. So I'm going to be putting these Proline flat irons on there, and then we're going to take it out and give it another blast in another video. Oh, that looks pretty good. I'm going to quickly bolt them on there, and I'm going to get you back on. Oh, guys, check it out. That has completely transformed it. That looks so much better now. It looks a little bit puny on these tyres here, so we're going to take it out again. But anyway, this video here is more focusing on this one here. So far, this thing performed perfectly. No issues at all. Everything worked as it should. I'm super impressed, actually, with the power of this silly, cheap servo. I mean, that performed absolutely perfectly. The motor and the speed controller combo, that's crazy cheap as well, and that performed really perfectly as well. The radio, no issues with that. And the car, I mean, it definitely is a premium kit, so I don't expect this to be dirt cheap. Now, I did tend to fall over a little bit more than the Remo because it is a little bit narrower, but this is a lot more scale, it's a lot more realistic. This one down here has definitely got the wider axles, which makes it a little bit more stable, but then again, it's not as realistic, so it all kind of depends what you're looking for. Also, it's got headlights installed, and it's also got a roof bar installed as well with lights in there. You can see all the lights along there, look. And it does come with a wire lead, so all you need to do is got the cables in there, look. They're just kind of dangling there at the moment, and it comes with a wire lead, so you can plug that directly into your receiver, and then you can have lights. And I want to get this out at some point in the dark and actually see how good it is. So there's going to be plenty more videos with this soon. This was just a quick unboxing, took it out quickly. This one broke early on. This video's already long enough, but there's going to be more videos with that and all the other crawlers in action very soon. By the way, I'm going to say a big thanks to Stempy for helping film and to come along having fun. So Stempy's got a hobby shop. Go check him out. I'm going to put a link to his shop down below. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up, thumbs down if you suck, subscribe, smash the bell button, and we'll see you soon in another video. Make sure you check some of these other videos that we got going on the page here, and we'll see you soon in another video. Bye.